Hey everybody, it's Joric. Welcome back. Hope you're doing great wherever you are in the world. Along with a series of recent videos I've made about trying to get trusted resources for people that are going to be moving and living in Portugal, this is another one of those videos. So I have a question for you. This can be a contentious one, so like some of the others. Do you have an accountant that you trust or an accounting firm that you work with that you feel is confident that have given you accurate returns in Portugal as well as haven't made you go rob a bank because they were so costly? I make this video because often when I receive emails from people, they discuss their situation and often it's not a positive one. It's a negative going, I paid for this service and they ghosted me, or they never returned the money, or they wanted everything up front and then nothing happened, and when I asked for a refund, they vanished, or they said, they're not going to return the money. So when it comes to an accountant, we had a trusted accountant. When I say we had a trusted accountant, I want to be full disclosure and cautious about that. We did our own taxes in Portugal, and I think they were somewhat difficult, but we figured it out and we were able to do it. But most often, more people are not going to do that. So if you're a tax resident in Portugal and you need to file your taxes, there was a third-party company that everyone, when we were there, seemed to use. And this one gentleman, I think he had another associate, they were really good, and it sounded like the costs were not too bad. People felt like they got good service, it was timely, and their returns were accurate, filed on time and accurate to the people that we sent them to. We never used them. Now, a couple years later, people have said they aren't taking any new business because they, I guess, are so booked out that they just can't, unless they hire new accountants. They have as much, and I think all they did was immigrant taxes or expat taxes. So I can't use them and put them down. But do you have someone that you feel like has done right by you? They've done your accounting in Portugal, they've filed taxes accurately, there haven't been any issues or hiccups with the returns, and I mean from the accountant side of not doing what they're supposed to do. And do you have somebody that also hasn't charged you a fortune to do that? I think it would be good to get a little comments going from people that have had good experiences, because so often people have had bad ones. So if you have someone that is good and you feel like is trusted, that you would put your name to it and comment, say, hey, this Maria Joao from so-and-so, and here's their contact information, or here's the company I've used and we feel like they've done a really good job for us. Please put that below. Also, if you've had some crooks along the way, please put the comment in there too, because you'd hate to have people keep using someone and have thousands or tens of thousands of dollars or euros, pounds, etc. disappear by people that are nefarious. So I think it is a critical service. If you're a tax resident in Portugal, again, you can go through the system and you can file taxes on your own, which is what we did. We always got the confirmation that they were filed correctly. So we didn't need it, but I think most people would probably, for peace of mind, it's worth spending some money and having an accountant do it. So if you have some great resources, leave them for the community and people that might find this video down the road as they need the help down the road. As always, thank you so much for watching and enjoy your travels.